Few fun little things here for Fun Friday. Let's see, first of all, I've got the latest version of IGEMS here. So I'm on 4442. And if you don't have this version yet, be good to download and install this one. It has some nice features, especially related to this new edge fix command. There's a video here that IGEMS did, so I probably won't do a video about that because they did a nice job on that. And then the other cool thing they've got on that tools tab is this shape recognition thing, which they go through on that video there. Now, first of all, I've made a few more Python parametric shapes, dog bone, taper angle control test piece, Q5, Q1 little sample if you want to put different qualities on there, mouse ear shape if you're doing hinges for glass doors. Any of these shapes, if you have any ideas for improvements, let me know. Of course, you can just click on one of these and plug in the different dimensions and click OK, and boom. So if you want to download those, you can go to our ikulu.wardjet.com wiki page. As always, search up here for IGEMS, and that will bring you to this page here. And if you scroll down a bit, kind of reorganize some things here. Parametric shapes area, and if I have done it in Python, I note it here. We'll go this dog bone one. One for Lisp, one for Python. The Python one, it's got the .txt extension, so hopefully if you download it, it won't throw out any alarms. Once you do download it, you can copy it to your shared folder, Python shapes folder, and then change the extension from .txt to .py. So I've got the dog bone there, Q5, Q1, mouse ears, and TAC. I guess not quite alphabetical order there, probably rearrange that, but anyways. So there's that. And then another thing is last year IGEMS introduced this new selection system where if you hover near the edge of things, and it changes kind of color like that, you can right click and there'll be different things that you can do. If I'm a little bit further away, of course, I can right click and I can do a fast forward. Yeah, sure. And then if you right click now, you got different things that you can do. Now, if there may be times I've found that maybe I don't want to be using the new selection system, they've added a new way to easily toggle that on and off. Right now, if you want to do it, you go into your preferences, and then on this display tab down here, you've got new selection system. Easier way to do that now, go to IGEMS menu and preferences, shortcut keys, and you can sort the command rows, probably these are command column, shall we say. Scroll down and down to the T area. You've got toggle selection system. So you can double click into here, choose whatever key that you want for the shortcut. I'm going to use just my period. And now if I decide that I don't want to have the new selection system on, I can just press period on my keyboard and it's off, and period again, it's back on. So that's kind of handy. Can also add it to this right click menu. As I move a little bit further away, right click menu, you got the different things you can do. If you want to add it to this menu, you can edit the right click.cfg file, which is under your shared folder. One level up, so go system. And actually, this is going to be, just in case you're on a network shared folder, best way to do that is just go into, on your local drive, on my C drive here, because this is local per user, go to the 26.0.0 area and scroll down and look for the right menu.cfg file. Open that up in your text editor of choice. And you can add this line in there wherever you want it in that list, or uppercase toggle selection system. Pay attention to the uppercase, lowercase, save it, and then you'll have to restart IGEMS for it to show up there. And right click and you got that there. So if I draw myself a rectangle or something, right click, toggle selection system, it's off and it's back on. And then finally, one little app that I wrote is called MoveSheets. You can also download this from that kulu.warjet.com wiki page. MoveSheets, install it onto your apps tab. And the basic idea with this is it's going to move the leftmost column of sheets to the left to make it a little bit easier if you need to select things or work with them. If any questions about any of that, let me know. Thanks.